Hiya Seer, this is Spencer from Prime Mercedes in Scarborough, Maine. Beside me is the vehicle we spoke about today. This is our 2011 E350. A beautiful vehicle, comes in a black metallic. You'll see up front our classic Mercedes-Benz grille, our star hood ornament there in the center. Headlights up front, we have fog lights down on the bottom. A really nice angular look. Come along the side of the car, we got beautiful 5-spoke wheels from Mercedes-Benz. You'll see they're in fantastic condition, no major scrapes or curb damage. Coming along the side of the car, turn indicators on our door mirrors, chrome along our window frame as we come around to the back. Wraparound LED taillights, E350 and 4MATIC badging. That's our all-wheel drive system. So come along the side of the vehicle. We'll take a look at the interior. We'll start with the back. A beautiful beige interior. The leather's in fantastic condition. Wood trim throughout the car as well. A lot of great features. And we'll move forward here, take a look at the driver and passenger seat. Again, in fantastic condition. No major scrapes, scratches, or tears on the leather. A lot of great features, technology in the vehicle. Let's hop in, take a closer look. Now we're inside the E350. We can take a closer look at the interior. A great set of options on the car, a lot of great features. We have phone connectivity, volume control here on the steering wheel, automatic wipers and headlights. And if you look forward on our center screen here, our navigation, our Bluetooth, our multimedia is all controlled on this center screen. You have a shortcut options here, volume control, power off on for your display, heated seats, as well as a rear sunshade. And then moving down here, we have dual zone climate control. Eco and sport options can change the way the vehicle drives. That's your dynamic driving mode. You can operate your screen and navigate using your click wheel here on the center. A lot of great features. I know we had talked about tomorrow coming in to look at the vehicle in person. If you have any questions in the meantime, give me a call, 207-210-4796, or you can email me. My email is sroe, that's SROE, @driveprime.com. Thanks for watching, you Seer. I hope you enjoyed.